Hey there, I'm Lisa from here at HubSpot, and welcome to the latest edition of the Product Spotlight. In this video, my fellow marketing team members and I will walk you through this month's biggest and most exciting HubSpot product updates. We've got a lot to cover today, and I have a few updates to share with you myself. So let's get started. First, I want to talk to you about workflows. Your sales team probably has a standard process for handling different deal stages in your sales pipeline. For example, your team might try scheduling a meeting with a lead whenever a demo or proposal is requested. Naturally, you might want to use tasks to help your sales reps follow this process. Well, now you can. Now live is the ability to automatically create tasks on deal stages using workflows, which saves you time and makes the sales process that much easier to execute for both you and your sales reps. Now, let's talk for a minute about HubSpot CRM. As your company grows, it's likely that your customers will be in touch with individuals on various teams in your organization. A sales rep, a customer success manager, an account manager, a technician, you get the idea. In order to better keep track of those valuable interactions, you now have the ability to follow a contact, company, or deal record in HubSpot. This update ensures each of your internal stakeholders has the full context they need in order to make the next interaction with your customer even better.
Hi everyone, my name's Alex, and I have a number of exciting Marketing Hub updates to share with you today. The basis of any good inbound strategy is to provide your users with useful and relevant content across all channels, including social. In late February, Twitter announced that they would no longer allow users to simultaneously post identical tweets across multiple accounts. We want marketers to build brand awareness by engaging with their audience, not spamming them with the same tweet over and over again. As a result, users of the social tool will not be able to post the same tweet to multiple Twitter accounts at a time, and only one Twitter account can be used for blog auto-publishing within a portal. Next, let's talk about Facebook lead ads. Once you connect your Facebook ads account to HubSpot, you can start generating sales-ready leads that directly go into your CRM. But what about all the leads you generated prior to connecting the accounts? Well, starting this month, you can now determine within ad settings which Facebook pages associated with your ads account are syncing with HubSpot. Once synced, all leads associated to that page will be brought into HubSpot, so you can more accurately report on the success of your lead ads. Within the new Design Manager, you can now create modules that have HTML, CSS, and JavaScript all bundled together. This means that you can now easily transfer your modules across templates or even portals. With this in mind, HubSpot has added a number of our modules within the marketplace, such as the Frequently Asked Questions accordion module or the Testimonial module. Out of the box, these modules allow marketers to create dynamic websites through an intuitive editing experience. In the hands of a developer, it creates a starting point from which more advanced modules can be created. And this is just the starting point. Soon, marketplace providers will be able to put their own modules within the marketplace. More to come on this soon. Finally, I wanted to shout out a couple quick wins which will hopefully go a long way in improving your day-to-day workflow within HubSpot. This month, we've extended our native integration with Shutterstock to the social publishing tool, so you can quickly pick from a library of 60,000 plus images to include in your social posts and increase your engagement. You can also drag and drop images directly from your desktop into any rich text module. These images will also be uploaded immediately to your file manager, so you can focus on the work that matters the most to you.
Hi there, I'm Elise, and I'd like to share some exciting updates we've made to our suite of sales tools. First up, meetings. You all know it as a tool that helps you book more meetings in less time. And with the latest update, you'll now be able to send automated reminders to folks that book time with you. Here's how it works. When you're setting up your meetings link, just check off the box that indicates sending reminder emails. You'll be able to save time, reduce no-shows, and boost your productivity without lifting a finger. Next up, I want to share a few updates that we've recently made to products. As a reminder, Products is a HubSpot sales professional feature that lets you keep track of the actual goods and services you're selling, tying them to deals and reporting on which items are actually moving. With the latest update, Products now lets you track cost per unit, making it easy to see the profit margin for each deal you create. You'll also have the ability to discount products by percentage and have that new total automatically reflected on each deal. Lastly, you'll now be able to add contract terms to the products or services you're selling. All of these updates are now live and available in Products.
That's all for today, folks. As always, if you can't get enough HubSpot product updates, you can subscribe to our product updates blog using the link in the description below. Also, keep an eye out for our new monthly newsletter that highlights some of our most exciting product updates to help you stay informed. We'll see you next month.